Ka Sorkar Meghalaya kamdan Jingtmu, Jingpynslem ika election jong ka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council. Ya kani laong do simbut menteri rangba badai pe iki kam District Council Affairs, uba Preston Tingsong, ha ka arpunyau tarik ukila lingkon. Ulaong ba katarik election ansapin binasyan, bat ula kintai ya ka Jingpynslem namara ba ka puar trekam jong ka GHEDC, kan kut ha ka khatpra tarik Ïaïong. Ula bin rabru baya ke jingdawa SIR Garo Hills anle kat kum ke jingbtha juga election commission andala yo eka notification.
Election in Garo Hills Autonomous Council.
Yes.
Hopefully, very soon you will know that. Once the government takes a decision, once the cabinet takes a decision, so you will be.
Sir, is there any plan to postpone the election?
No, the question of postponement doesn't arise.
So one last question.
Because see why? Let me tell you one thing, that the term of the Garo Hills Autonomous Council is ended on the 18th of April. So well before that, election process has to be completed.